clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
Juicy, nice, supple fish, very firm.
That's what I came here for.
Tender and flaky, always good. You like?
All right, I'll take it.
Thank you, enjoy.
This is basic ice cream. Got to have meat. Makes you strong. Real men. Us real meat. 1 meat? I got good meats right here. Only first class meat. You want meat? Hey, you want ice cream? You could use a little. Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice cream here.
Hey, you want to do the talking?
唔睇下你損失啊！
清貨大減價，買就蝕底啦！清貨大減價，買就蝕底啦！公司跳樓貨，平到你唔信。100蚊3件，買都清貨大減價，買就蝕底啦！
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion? Don't be a tough guy.
哇，半價！
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
點會諗到咁㗎？
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Hey, you want something cheap?